Jewelry, by BDK, handmade magic in every hue. Color in the beat, story in the line. Art on your skin, let your spirit shine. Jewelry by BDK, bold, divine. Crafted with love, one beat at a time. Wear your truth, let your style speak loud. This is jewelry by BDK. Stand strong, stand proud. Your touch feels like a quiet sunrise, soft and golden, waking up my mind. You breathe slow and I fall right in. Every moment with you feels like home again. You move gentle like you know my heart, like you studied every fragile part. I don't rush when I'm here with you. Time slows down like it once was too. Stay right here, don't let go. Let your heartbeat tell me what I need to know. I'm falling softly into you, like the night falls into the moon. Hold me close, don't let me lose this feeling only you can do. I'm falling softly into you, deeper than I ever knew. Baby, let this moment bloom. I'm falling softly into you. You whisper love like a gentle breeze. Every word puts my soul at ease. You kiss so and I melt inside. Baby, you're the calm in my wild ride. Your hands speak things you'll never say, but I hear them anyway. I lose myself when you say my name, and everything around us fades. Let the night move soft and steady. Tell me when your heart is ready. If love is a river, let it flow. I'm right here, I'm not letting go. I'm falling softly. Deeper than I ever knew.
like they were shaped by design. You breathe soft and I lean in. Feels like the start of something again. Your voice is velvet in my ear. Every word pulls me near. I don't need the world tonight, just your touch and candlelight. Oh, don't rush, baby, take your time. Let your heartbeat fall in line. Stay with me slow. Don't let the moment go. Let the rhythm of our love take control. Hold me close. Ooh, let the night unfold, baby. Stay with me slow. No need to hurry, no need to speed. Just let your love move through me. Oh. Stay with me slow. Don't let the moment go. Stay with me slow. You kiss me like you know my past, but still choose me every time, every last. You touch me like you're healing me, like love is something we both can't see. Oh, warmth feels like a gentle fire, burning steady with quiet desire. I lose myself in your embrace every time you touch